All right, let's look at the homework 3.11, problem number 2. All right, so let's rewrite the hyperbolic sine of 7 times natural log of x as a rational function. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we just have to write the definition. All right, so you have a hyperbolic sine of 7 times natural log of x. All right. All right, first thing I would probably do would be I'm going to move this 7 up here. All right, so we can write it as hyperbolic sine of natural log of x to the 7th power. All right, so we have that. All right. Then following the definition of a hyperbolic sine, so hyperbolic sine is e to the, so you have a natural log of x to the 7, and minus e to the negative natural log of x to the 7th power, and over 2. All right. Then we just need to clean this up a little bit here. All right, so you have e to the natural log, so they cancel each other out because these are inverses of each other. So we're going to get the just the x to the 7th power there. All right, and here I'm going to again move this negative sign up here. All right, so this is going to be negative 7. Maybe I'll just go ahead and scratch it out. So scratch this negative sign, and I'm going to turn it into a negative x to the negative 7th power. All right, again, you have an exponential function and a natural function cancel out each other. So you're going to have a minus x to the negative 7th power over 2. All right, so we want to write this in as a rational function. Here, x to the negative 7 is going to be a fraction inside a fraction, so we can just simply multiply top by x to the 7th power and bottom by x to the 7th power, so that we can write it as, all right, so we're going to have, right, just so multiply these two guys together. We're going to have 2 times x to the 7th power. All right, then we're going to distribute x to the 7 to the first term. So you have x to the 7 times x to the 7 would be x to the 14th power, because 7 plus 7, minus, right? So if you distribute x to the 7 to x to the negative 7, they're inverse or reciprocal of each other. So it's going to be cancel each other out. You're just going to get 1. Oh, actually, I want to use blue here. All right, so this is an irrational function. So I'm going to put that in. All right, so we have so rational function. All right, so we have x to the 14th power minus 1. The denominator is 2 x to the 7th power. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.